Hey y'all, this is Kina with SweetGemLife. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing the latest Isis Ella Jewels jewel box. This is a subscription quarterly. Yes. So, I'm kind of excited for this. It's been a while. If you're interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so here is the contents of the box. Let's go ahead and get this open. Ooh, okay. I'll grab it here on the top. So, is this a magnet? I'm not sure. What is this? Okay, so these are kind of like journaling cards. So we've got Queen. Sorry, can't hear you over this bomb ass infinite abundance, love, and divine source energy. Don't overlook yourself. Busy making my ancestors proud. And rich in strength. So these are the journaling cards, and then I believe these are die cuts. So we've got some die cuts. Let's push these back over here. We've got the Queen. Oh, you better set them rollers, honey. We got our two-way sidekick. Once you're rich spiritually, you've already won. We got our door knockers. We've got another sidekick that says current mood, power moves 24/7. We got rich in love. We got our cell phone. We used to play Snake on Level Up. We got some more door knockers, and we got a two-way pager. It's the inner peace for me. So these are the die cuts, and these are the journaling cards in this month's box. Let's get these moved out over here. So next up, let's get all of this out of here. We have our menu card for the week, for this box. Y'all, she's super cute. She is super cute, okay? Lips popping, door knockers popping, pixie cut, all of that. So this just shows what's in the kit. Let's go. We've got some washi here. Let's get this open. Y'all see I already broke a nail trying to get the last set of washi open. Goodness gracious. So we have our washi. Boom. Super pretty. I can't wait to use that. And then we've got another journaling card. She is cute, okay? Here. And then we have our stickers. We have the Rich Queen Mentality dolls. These are half body. And then we have the full body. So these are the same stickers, just in half body and full body. I love that. We have our journaling prompts. Rich Queen Mentality. And then we have two kits. We have Rich Queen Mentality and Rich Queen-ish. Y'all. Here, baby. Rich in knowledge, rich in forgiveness, rich in creativity, rich in abundance. Rich Queen vibes only. Ooh, either bless it or block it. Too cute, y'all. Love the stickers in this month's box. And then we have our papers. Let's get this open. So, y'all know we get cardstock and vellum. So here is our vellum. That's the top side. Yep, that's the top side. Very cute, very cute. And then we have our acetate. Ooh, y'all, I already know what I'm gonna use this for. Super hype. And then we have our two-sided cardstock. We have 2 sheets of that. And then we have the other two-sided cardstock. Love it. Alright y'all, so this is the second quarter Isis Ella Jewels jewel box. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please like, comment, share, of course subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.